I got a pair of WB padlocks for you. Slightly different from each other, but they've got keys, which is something I don't normally see in vintage padlocks. And they've also got a different keyway than WBs that I've dealt with before. So I don't think that's that big of an issue. So let's go ahead and try to get into these, shall we? I'm going to go with bottom of the keyway tension, since I can't pick from the bottom. Okay, a little click off of 3. Click off of 4. Come back forward. There we go. Let's click off of 2 and a click off of 1. Didn't feel like I really felt anything on 5. But the key does work in this thing. And there's the bitting. Not a bad bitting after all. Works pretty smooth. Alright, let's go with this other one. Yeah, so far, every vintage WB I've bought, I've liked better than the brand new ones I bought. These vintage ones are just more fun to pick. A little click out of 1. Click out of 2. Click out of 3. Little click out of 4. And click out of 5, and that opens us up. And there's the bitting on the key. Now, I never even did check and see if these were keyed alike, because that is a very similar looking bitting. Yeah, they are. Well, anyway, guys, that's these two WB padlocks. I think I'm going to stick both of them in my collection. I know I originally said I was only going to stick this one in it, but I think I might want to hang on to both of these. Kind of nice locks. But, you know, as things go, I get tired of looking at things, and eventually they'll come out of the collection and just hop their way over into the trading pile. But for now, I think I'm going to hang on to them. Everyone, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And please, like and subscribe.